Hello, this is third generation Ford Explorer 1994 with 4 liters V6 engine producing around 160 brake horsepower, automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive. Most of the time it's rear-wheel drive. Unless it's time to drive in puddles. Ford assembled it on USA but sold it in Europe, Germany. After 10 years it ended up in Eastern Europe and I have bought it much later during 2019 spring. Back then Explorer had lots of problems: failed intake manifold gasket, leaking coolant fluid and bad brakes. It ran only on LPG, which is cheap way to run petrol cars in Europe with all generation engines. Ford is 2 inches lifted, has 31-inch all-terrain tire and limited slip differential in the back. In the front, Explorer has one of the smallest Ford badges I have ever seen. Around the car you can find few stickers which are hiding scratches and rust. The back where is misspelled warning sign, and in the cars inside you can find 3D printed Explorer's nickname. Interior is comfortable and cozy with electric bucket seats, electric windows and electric 4-wheel drive with low range selection buttons. Engine has K&N air filter, failed air conditioning. Here also you can find LPG installation. All 4 shocks has been changed into new ones, which dramatically improved ride quality. I will film all future fixes and modifications to make Explorer more off-road worthy and post it on YouTube. So if you are interested and watch till the end, please subscribe.